strawberries.
Hi guys. My voice is leaving my body. But today we're doing nature cereal. So we have blueberries, raspberries,
and we do have strawberries
and blackberries, but we don't want to really taste our strawberries.
I mean, sure.
We probably should.
What are you doing, guys?
Okay.
Riker, stop.
So I got that.
Ew.
Stop, please.
Riker, stop.
Sorry about that. I'm
Sorry,
2 out of
Riker's
10.
opening his mouth and chewing. I'm sorry that you just had
We
to
should do
do
4
that.
at a time. On the blueberries, because they're tiny. So I do.
Yeah.
And we're going to get them.
Just don't put too many.
Hang on.
We don't have coconut water, so we're gonna use almond milk for it, I guess.
Yeah.
Go grab the almond milk. Don't we grab the strawberries?
Yeah. Because we have enough of these fruits. I'll put these fruits back. And you can get those out.
Well, we're gonna do like one.
Don't we need a knife, kind of?
Why?
They're too big to just put
Oh
them.
yeah, they are. Here, I'll cut a few while you.
And you have to cut the stem off, too.
Here, you cut yours off. Actually, no. I'll just cut them because
cut them off.
That's yours, Daddy?
No.
What is that, Mom?
I'm cutting this down so I don't cut myself. Shh. Be quiet, child. Shh. Stop. Stop. Stop.
That one's yours. This one.
Okay, I have my strawberries cut. Alright, we're just using one strawberry because we're cutting them into small pieces. Dude, stop.
I'm not dude. I'm mean.
Riker just chipped this.
Oh my god.
Riker, stop.
You know what? Don't give it back. Actually, no. Give it back. He needs a lid. Don't do it, Riker. Again. I said don't do it.
Okay.
I'm opening this nook.
Where's the trash?
Oh, that's satisfying. Okay, I'm not gonna like. Okay, we have almond milk because we don't have coconut water. So we're using almond milk. Shake well. Oops.
Yeah, put it back on and shake it. Here, I'll shake it. Actually, just shake it a lot.
I need a world's fastest shake. It's good. You want to do yours first?
Yeah, I'm just don't pour a lot.
I know. You don't need a lot. Wait, what?
Like that.
I'm gonna do a little bit more because I.
No, don't. Yeah, that's good.
Can we get me a spoon? I'll put this back. Where do I put this?
What's here?
It goes in that. See that empty spot by the creamer.
Okay.
Okay. This kind of looks gross.
Tell me if it's good. And it's good for you.
That's delicious. Because of the sweetness of the almond milk and stuff, too.
That's really good. I'm just gonna try to get everything in there.
That is so good.
What are you doing?
Blackberry,
What are you
getting
doing,
that.
Dale?
Having nature
Can I make
cereal.
some?
I'll let you have a bite of mine. Take a bite.
Wait.
It's cereal.
Wait.
Take a bite. Just take it.
Wait.
You're gonna like it.
It's cereal.
It's cereal.
And
It's healthy for you. Bite it. Jesus, it's not that hard. It's really good. Actually, I like this.
it's so sour.
Not to me.
Almond milk is so yucky. And it's so yucky.
What is?
Almond milk.
Almond milk?
Yes,
Ah,
It's yummy.
it is.
almond milk is yucky. It's so yucky.
I guess it's his thought.
He's never even tried it, has he?
Mm-hmm.
When?
Actually, really good.
I know, it's so good. I'm finished with mine.
What?
I'm done with mine.
Ah, that was good. We have a bunch of food right now. We have donuts and oatmeal
Yeah.
and bug juice and Powerade and breakfast burritos in the fridge.
Mmm.
Yeah, that was delicious. Watch Molly eat the rest of hers.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Riker, stop. Chew it up.
Ah.
Chew it up.
Mhm.
Yeah, we'll just get that.
There's a single blueberry left.
Sure.
You want a lighter bite?
Maybe a little bit.
Hi, Snuggles.
Delicious.
Riker, that's Snuggles.
What was this?
Hi, bird.
It's Snuggles.
Look at him vibing up there. He's right there. He's that little dot. That weird little moving dot.
What else should we want a breakfast burrito?
No.
Donut?
Let's just end the video now because it was just about our nature cereal.
Goodbye.
I'm done with your oat milk.
Riker, stop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not talking very loud because my voice is escaping my body by the second.
And what was I gonna say? No, Maddie.
And no, I won't give me the knife.
For a knife.
Okay.
Demonic 3-year-old.